Here you can see a problem with my trunk not fully closing. It looks fine, but it just does not close tight as it should. And while I drive, it gives off this rattling sound since the door is not fully tight. If you also have a problem where your rear door is not opening, like in this case, when you replace your electric struts that raise the door, it will also fix the striker plate automatically. Check the video in the top right corner about this particular problem. If you do need to replace the striker plate itself, remove a few screws and bolts to take the cover away. One on the left, I already have this one removed. The same one on the right side. And then 2 screws in the middle, for which you will need the T45 size Torx bit. To remove the bolts on the sides, you will need a flathead screwdriver and pry it gently out of the cover. Like so. Here I have already removed the cover, and you will be able to see what the actual problem is. There's a gap between the door and the bumper, and the striker plate does not pull the door down as it should. To remove the striker plate, just take out 2 screws on each side. You will need again the T45 size Torx bit. But before you do that, it is probably a good idea to unplug it from the electric circuit like so. Note that the metal spring you see there, it might or might not be there. I thought that since my spring was missing, I added it in there to fix the problem, but it didn't do anything. And here is the actual striker plate assembly. Just replace it with a new one and hopefully you should be good to go to get your trunk closed shut again.